The amazing world of plants. Flowers. Flowers add beauty to a plant. They are found in different sizes, shapes, and colors. They may grow singly or in a bunch. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. Parts of a flower, that is petal, stamen, sepal. The colorful parts of a flower are called petal. The small green parts at the bottom of a flower are called sepal. The pollen producing part of a flower are called stamen. Different flowers bloom in different seasons. Depending on when their flowers bloom, plants may be called annuals, biennials, and perennials. First, annuals. A plant that completes its life cycle from germination to the production of seed within one growing season and then dies. Flowers bloom only once in a single season. Example, sunflower, marigold. Second, biennials is a flowering plant that takes 2 years to complete its life cycle. Example, forget-me-not plant, Canterbury bells. Third, perennial plants. Plants that live for more than 2 years. Example, daisies, peony bushes. Flowers that bloom in winter. Aster, snowdrop. Flowers that bloom in summer. Lilies, roses. Flowers that bloom in spring. Daffodil, tulip. Flowers that bloom in winter. Dahlias, sunflower. Flowers are very useful to us in many ways. We eat flowers as a food, like broccoli and cauliflower. Flowers are used for decoration in marriages, parties, and in our homes. Some women wear flowers on their hair. The petals of flowers like rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes and oils. We decorate floors of our house with floral patterns called rangoli. Honey is made from the nectar sucked by the bees from flowers. Flower designs are also seen on the wall of houses and monuments like the Taj Mahal. We can also find them on pots, cloths, and many other things. Flowers are also used for worshipping and are offered in temples. A florist sells cut flowers. He or she is an expert in the art of arranging flowers. They sell various types of flowers. Some of them are available locally, while many of them come from far away cities or even outside India. Ikebana is the Japanese art of arranging flowers. People who live in forests are called tribal or Adivasis. As you know, early man lived in forests. He got food by either hunting animals or by gathering wild fruits. Some people live in forests even today also. Tribal people eat wild fruits and nuts. They also eat some roots and stems. Mahua is an important tree for them. They eat its flower, use its leaves for various purposes, and make a drink as well. Forest provides the tribal with food, water, minerals for everyday living and a home. Unfortunately, man is destroying the forests by cutting them to clear land for construction and agriculture. This is making thousands of tribals homeless and leaving them without food and shelter. So stop destroying the forest by cutting tree and save so many trees. I hope you all have understood the chapter. So let's read and reflect. We see many plants in our neighborhood. They are public property. Each plant has a root system and a shoot system. A plant can have tap roots or fibrous root. Root fixes the plant to absorb water and nutrients, hold the soil together and store food. Flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. They differ in shape, size and color. According to the flowering season, plants can be annuals, biennials or perennials. Flowers are useful to man in several ways, as food, to express feeling, for decoration, to make perfumes, etc. People who live in forest are called tribals or Adivasis. Hope you understood the chapter clearly. Thank you.